Guys, ignore my hair. I need to get it chopped expeditiously. But the most insane week just happened in trading history, and I was hesitant to make a video on it because I was gonna say buy it and the shit would just crash like uh like next week or something like that, and then people would be blaming me. But I'm not a financial advisor. I simply just tell you how it is. But anyways, you guys have literally seen the most insane week in trading history because GameStop has literally been pushed 1,000% in about a week. So as you can see, the literally beginning of January, it was at about chilling at about $20 to $30 a share, and then Redditors decided to push it to about $300 plus a share. Now you're probably wondering why they did this, and it's because they wanted to screw with hedge funds. So hedge funds basically bet that a stock will go down based on a sector dying. So like GameStop, nobody really goes to GameStop anymore because they're getting pushed out by the digital wave of games just coming out. So they're they do the same thing with Blockbuster. Like when Blockbuster died, they did a lot of it's basically like buying puts, but instead you borrow shares expecting the stock to go down. When it does go down, you give the shares back and you profit the difference. So, but the only thing though is while they were holding these shares, Wall Street Bets and Redditors and stuff like that said, let's push the stock up just a buku amount, like a insane amount, just so they can lose all their billions of dollars. Because this is the 1%. You have to remember, this is the 1%. This is the 1%. So they have a lot of money. Literally most of the money they lost off of this, they got it all back by fundraising. So, so basically they're borrowing a lot of shares, like billions of shares. So when they borrow all these shares and it has to go up, they have to buy more shares so they don't take billion-dollar losses, right? And then once they buy these shares, it pushes the stock even more up. So that means GameStop is actually getting pushed by the hedge fund managers up because they want it to go down, right? So they're going to start trying to manipulate the stock, make it seem like it's going down. In reality, nothing's changing. They're trying to borrow the shares so the stock goes down, so people sell that are buying it. But when people just start buying it up for no actual reason, then the whole hedge fund scenario is messed up because they're like, okay, now I have to buy the shares, and they push the stock even more up. So that's why GameStop is over 1,000+%. That was a lot. But in spite of this got super publicized when Robinhood stopped allowing people to buy GameStop, right? This happened last week. So basically, when Robinhood stopped allowing to buy people at GameStop, they're like, okay, now this is just pure market manipulation because you're not allowed to even buy a stock anymore. Like, they took it off simply because it was going up. Like, hedge fund managers are allowed to manipulate the stock and let it go down, but we're not allowed to let it go up. That was the fishy part. That's what's really making it very bad on Robinhood's end, because we're only allowed to buy one share even right now. You can see in this screenshot, they said one share of AMC, one share of BlackBerry, one share of GameStop, one share of American Airlines. They just started saying one share of everything so people wouldn't buy it. So this is literally market manipulation. Now, what I would say is really, okay, the real question is, should you buy GameStop? And now that the public eye is on it, it was literally #1 trending on Twitter the other day. Now that the public eye is on it, I don't think we're going to have a smooth battle. This is a war. This is a battlefield, right? So literally, people are going to be going against the hedge fund managers over and over and over and over and over and over, and it's not going to stop. So it's going to be a very volatile ride, because I bought a GameStop contract, and literally up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's not something easy to stomach. You have to be aware that GameStop is very volatile if you buy in, because it's literally a war against hedge fund managers. And they're not taking it lightly. Basically, Melvin Capital and Citron are the names of the hedge funds that are actually going against GameStop. But when now that the whole public is on it, that means everyone is buying these stocks. So I think that it's overall gonna go up. I think the redditors and the internet is gonna get what they want because they can't keep losing billions of dollars. I think they're just gonna like leave the stock alone. Like it's just too much. Like from their perspective, they can easily get the money back because it's billions of dollars. Like, but when average people start getting money, that's the problem. That's really the problem with America. Like I'm not trying to get too political, but that's the problem. Like when average people start making money, like literally everybody was trying to get on GameStop, so they banned it. Like that's not making sense. So should you buy it? I think yes. Long term, no. This is more of a literally as it happens thing. Next week, this is currently Saturday. So the week after, so this upcoming week, so Sunday, Monday, that week, it's meant to be a short squeeze battle. So a short squeeze again happens when they have to buy the shares, so it makes the squeeze go even higher. Literally what happened to GameStop, but there's also other stocks that they're trying to do it to. AMC, BlackBerry, let's see, Express, and Naked Brands are the top ones right now that they're trying to push, like GameStop. But those all got banned too. So like literally, if you buy them on Webull, I'm pretty sure you're able to buy them. So I'd say buy them on Webull and just see what happens. Don't put a lot of money in there. Don't risk your whole portfolio because it's going to be volatile, very volatile. Because this is in the public eye. This is in the news. So it's the internet versus the hedge fund managers. So literally, I think you should buy some, but put in a small amount of your portfolio. Buy a few shares to start with. If you see things going well, you can buy some more shares. Make sure you have day trades so you can get out of your positions. And yeah, you should buy these because it's history. Like the market has never seen this before. I haven't seen this since I ever started in the stock market. And basically it just got exposed that the market is not a free market until we're allowed to win this war. So if we win this war, that means that a lot of things will change. Like we're definitely allowed to just push up stocks if we all get together as a community, because big companies are allowed to do it. Why aren't we allowed to do it? So definitely look into that. And also, if you guys wanted to get my personal plays, I have daily watch lists, daily calls and puts, also news and teachings, weekly teachings in my Discord. It's only $10 a month till the end of January. So literally February is going to be $20 a month. So if you're seeing this in February, sorry, the price just changed. But yeah, guys, yeah, I think that GameStop literally should go to 1,000. Like that's what they're trying to push it to 1,000. I don't want to really touch on Dogecoin because I don't know how. Like there's no resistance for it. There's no floor. It's literally a meme stock that's only on like Robinhood and Binance. It's another app to buy crypto. Not a real crypto, but yeah, Dogecoin definitely goes off hype. So if you see Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin again, you should buy into that. I bought it at about 1 cent and sold it at about 7 cents. So if you put 1,000 in at 1 cent, you made an easy $8,000 that one day that Elon Musk tweeted about it. So definitely, I'd say keep some play money in Dogecoin. So those 5 stocks that I mentioned are the ones that are going to be pushed. It's going to be a very interesting week because we're literally going to see history unfold. But overall, I think you should buy these stocks, but don't put them in a high percentage of your portfolio in case things do go wrong. But yeah, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, a little informational one. But yeah, guys, don't forget, join my Discord, link in bio if you want to get my personal stuff. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.